How to fix your Windows display size is too big. So if your monitor or your laptop screen is too zoomed in and too big, I'm going to show you how to reduce the size and how to fix this. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer and then just go and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, click on System and then select Display. You could then scroll down to the Scale and the Layout. And there's basically two different settings we need to change in order to make our screen smaller. So the first one you have is the scale, and this is what changes the size of the text, apps, and other items. So you can click on this drop down arrow, and usually you would set this to the recommended number, but if you want to make your screen even smaller, you can try reducing this to a smaller number. Now once you've done this, you may also need to change your display resolution as well. So if you're seeing black bars around the edges of your screen, or your screen is too zoomed in, then click on the drop down arrow, and you can try changing the display resolution. Now again, usually you would have this as the recommended number, but maybe you want to go and try a smaller display resolution instead, and that's how to fix the issue where your display is too large.